welcome to Shari and Yashvi's Fun Time. Now you're thinking why I'm holding the solar system project. Because we're going to talk about solar system. So first is the sun. It's a hot star. It's not a planet. And if you go close to it, you can't go close to it. You will die. Even a teeny bit you can't go. Then it's Mercury. It's also hot because it's near the sun and it's also the first planet. And then it's Venus. It's the second planet. Then it's the Earth, where oxygen and where we live. And also there's a lots of water. That's why it's blue everywhere, and it's also called the blue planet. Then it's Mars, and it's also red. After that, it's Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. After that, it's Saturn. It has a ring, and that is made of rocks and dirt. Then it's Uranus. It's really cold because it's far away from the sun. Then it's the Neptune. It's really, really cold. And this is all about the solar system. This is a little knowledge about the solar system. It will be helpful for the little kids like Yashvi.
And I like talking about solar systems.
Yes. Thank you for watching. Have fun. Bye.